Okay, so I just wanted to show what was in here. I'm so excited. I just saw this and I thought it was so cute. It is a Swig cup. And look at how cute that Santa is. It's so much cuter in person. Look at the way it glitters. So stinking cute. I have a Stanley, but when I saw this Santa, I had to get it. I had to get it. It's so cute. And then I also, they had a special deal where you could get a mystery mug for half off. And this is what I got, the pink one. So I am happy with that. You can't go wrong with pink. Although I will say, I was sort of hoping for another pattern because that's, you know, part of what makes them extra fun compared to like Stanley's is the patterns. But can't go wrong with pink. And it was half off, my half off mystery. So happy with that. And then I also got this Halloween one that was on clearance. It's just like a wine tumbler. And it's so cute. Look at the way it glitters. Can you see that? It glitters. And it also glows in the dark. I think some of like the white cats glow in the dark. And then I also got a little nutcracker bundle. So this came with, I don't know what it's called. It's called insulated iced cup coolie. So it has like a little handle sleeve. And so that's really cute. And then it also came with these Christmas straws that have toppers. It's just so cute for Christmas. And then I like that it's designed to cut. So if you have shorter cups you want to use it with, you can cut the straw. So that's really cute. And then it also came with these ones. Came with these nutcracker straws. Super cute. And then I got a bunch of straws that were on clearance. So these are candy cane, and it's got like snowflake ones. Those are cute. And then these black plaid with little wiener dogs. And then these Halloween ones, jack-o'-lanterns, and like black glitter. And then these summery ones, it's just starfish and like a coral color. Really cute. And then these other Christmas ones, which are like a red checker plaid or buffalo plaid, and then like green Christmas trees. And that's everything I got. My goodies. They're so cute. And so, as much as I love my Stanley, I could not resist this freaking adorable Santa Swig. It's so cute. Did I say it was cute? It is just, oh, I'm so excited to fill this up with water after I wash it and everything. And that's all. So I would say check out Swig. I've seen good reviews. I feel like they work just as good as Stanley's. I feel like now with the competitors, they're all basically the same, you know, but this one is cute. How cute. Okay. Anyway, that is all. Thanks for watching my little haul. The mystery thing, I would say, was worth it. I didn't end up with, you know, some pattern that was just a bad seller. I just, you know, who doesn't love pink? Can't go wrong. And it was half off to get the mystery. So that is all, you guys. Yeah, check out Swig. They have really cute cups. They cost about the same as Stanley, so you're not really going to save money in that regard, but you get some really pretty patterns, although I think they are having a Black Friday sale now, so everything's on sale. So I guess if you do want to get something, now's the time to do it. And I guess that's it. Okay, bye.